Today I'm going to show you how to create a group in Gmail. If you find this useful, I create how-to videos weekly, multiple videos weekly, so subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notified every time there's a new video. Now let's dive in. So there's a really cool feature with Gmail where you can create a group of contacts and then quickly send an email to those people, or even a text if you'd like to. So what you do is down here at the bottom underneath all of your inboxes. So here, let me show you where this is, because usually it looks more like this, okay? You'll see your name, you'll see people, and you'll see these three icons right here. So you're going to want to make this a little bigger for this, so click and drag this up. These are all of your contacts that are currently in your Gmail account, okay? People attached to you some form or another. Either they're in your phone or they've emailed you or whatever, or you've manually added them to this list. They're in your contacts. This here, by the way, is if you want to do a hangout or a chat conversation, and this here is for phone calls. So to create a group for emailing, we just click this plus sign right here. We click new group, and we name the group. Sorry, got to put the name right here. Right there's where you name the group. This is where you search for the people you want to add to this group. So I'm going to make a family email list real quick and add anyone to my family, anyone to this group who's a member of my family. Whoops. Okay. We'll call that good for right now. Sorry, it's not letting me search them. When I search them, it messes up. I guess I got to scroll through and find them. All right, so there's my family group. Click the check box, and it's done. I've now created a family group that I can now send a text message to. Okay, so I sent that message off, and just for clarification, these send them as chats. So it's like a text message within Gmail, not an actual email, but they will get notified and they will be able to respond to it. So that's it. That's how you set up and utilize groups in Gmail.